Namaste friends, we meet again on the Yoga Logics, and today's video is going to be a useful one for the beginners in yoga. These are the beginner tips for the new practitioners in the yoga field. Be it asana or pranayama, in this video you're going to know what are those things everyone needs to take care so that the practice becomes a joyful and a learning experience. We recently completed a series of videos on the beginner's understanding of yoga. We covered the eightfold path of yoga called Ashtanga Yoga, in which we discussed various yoga practices like asanas, pranayamas and meditation. I've given the video links in the description box. Do watch them to gain understanding on the yoga sciences. I'll be giving you 10 tips to make your practice better in this video, so watch the video till the end. First is regular practice. The most important thing in yoga is to be regular in practice. A good practice routine helps us progress better in the practice and makes yoga our lifetime companion. Regular practicing makes it a habit for us, hardwires the routine in our brain. Second is to find a good yoga teacher. Yoga being an ancient science, it is necessary that you find a good yoga teacher who can understand your body's nature and guide you accordingly. Third is never compare yourself to others. If someone is more flexible or more strong or able to practice more asanas, please don't get into competition mode, because yoga is not about competition. It's about knowing ourselves and diving deep inside of us, which is away from any competition. But remember that if you practice regularly, slowly and steadily, you may also be able to practice more asanas, but take it slowly. Fourth is to listen to your body. The most important of all the tips is listening to our own body. Never try to do things in a hurry. Like if you want to do a full leg split and your legs are super stiff. Now, if you try to stretch forcefully, you may injure your tendons and ligaments badly. The best approach to open the body, like all the flexible yoga practitioners out there, is to take it slowly and steadily. Remember to train your body to open up gradually, because it's not a one-day task. As you are more accepting to the process, your mind opens, becomes patient, and your body starts to lose that old stiffness. After stretching today, if your body is sore, the next day, be gentle on the practice so that you can continue to practice in the coming days. Fifth is to take care of the yoga clothing. Wearing loose and comfortable clothes is necessary to help the body breathe properly. During asana practice, the body temperature rises and heat is produced. To regulate the body temperature, it is necessary for the body to be in touch with the surrounding air so that it can carry the extra moisture and perspiration from the skin. Sixth is to get a good yoga mat. It's important to get a good yoga mat which serves you well during the practice. It may not be the most expensive one, but it must have sufficient padding under your knees and must have a proper grip. So do good research before buying a good yoga mat. Seventh is to breathe properly during your yoga practice. While learning yoga from a teacher, do ask them the technique of breathing during the asanas and pranayamas. Breathing is the most important part in your practice and will take your practice to another level if you follow the breathing sequences properly. Eighth is to stay hydrated. Make sure you take enough water before starting your asana practice, because if you are following a long yoga routine, your body may lose water through sweating and you may feel dizzy. So drink ample of water. Ninth is to keep your motivation high. If you are not able to practice a few days due to your hectic work routine or are not able to progress in the asana practice due to your stiff body, do not get disheartened. Yoga practice must be done with utmost peace and calm. Sometimes things take time to manifest in the body. So keep your peace with the present moment and keep practicing. You will get there one day. And at the end, it's all about staying joyful and at ease in your body and in mind. If you're taking unnecessary pressure on your mind, the whole process of yoga to reduce stress and pressure is gone. 10th and the last one is to enjoy your relaxation or shavasana after the practice, which is the most important thing to do in yoga. Through proper relaxation at the end, the body eases itself and becomes meditative naturally. Just let go of all the things in life and lie there on your mat for the last 10 minutes like you have nothing to do in life. This can become your most liberating moment. When you relax during the shavasana, the blood flow in the muscles becomes easy and the body heals any wear and tear during the practice much faster. Friends, these were the 10 yoga tips for beginners which I shared with you today. Being mindful of these things helped me in my practice when I was a beginner, and I'm sure these tips will help you too. So next time you take out your mat to practice yoga, remember to be at ease with yourself and your body. This will help you achieve better results in your practice. And don't forget to subscribe the Yoga Logics for more such yoga wisdom. We'll meet next time in another yoga video. Till then, better your life with yoga. Om Tat Sat.